tips for chipmunk style music videos. So how do you create chipmunk style music videos? First, you gotta go to YouTube audio library from your creative panel. From your channel creative panel, this is. So then you gotta choose a free song to monetize. Then you gotta download that song to hard drive. Then use any audio or video program and change the pitch of the song to sound it like Chipmunk. So you can easily find this out by making changes to the pitch. So experiment the best for getting great results, and finally export the song. Then download any slideshow maker software, insert pictures of chipmunks and choose the exported song. So this will export as a video with chipmunk style pictures with your song in it. So this will generate a video and then you can upload it to YouTube. So this is how you create chipmunk style music videos.